This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hi Ho. Open house Sunday, May 19, 2024, 12 p.m. 2 p.m. Looking for a home within a prestigious golf community that offers the chance for personal customization. 6063 Forest Green Road could be the perfect fit. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is priced with necessary repairs in mind, providing a solid foundation for those eager to renovate and add personal touches. The interior boasts impressive 15-foot ceilings, enhancing the sense of space and potential. With some care and updates, this property could be a smart investment. Take advantage of this opportunity to purchase at a lower price, allowing you to budget for the enhancements you envision. Don't miss the chance to tailor this home to your preferences in the desirable Marcus Pointe. For more